things a little better now, so I'm tryna keep the luck. I never ever had much, man, I can hear the money calling, so I'm running for it daily like an open valve to a faucet. I'm electrified by this music shit like a socket, tryna make more money off what I already have up in my pockets, so I stock it, let the entrance collect the profit. Life's a celebration, so every day I'm bottle popping. Man, I can hear you haters talking, and I'm all the way up laughing, cause now I can see you haters falling. I thank God every day from where he brought me. Nothing against the lyrics of other artists, but y'all my competition, so it's fuck you, I'm sorry. Man, I can hear success calling. I'm online with this music, better believe I'm logged in. My girl got me puzzled, I'm tired of problem solving. Seem the devil won't stop with the shots, why I'm the target. Forever shit on me like I'm the tallest. Still I'm like, fuck you Satan, I'm God's kid, covered with his blood, I'm all his. With his touch, I can conquer anything, I'm flawless. With G.O.D. on my side, I can accomplish any goal I want. I work hard with a whole lot of drive. Can't let this music dream get away, I'm holding on. I can hear success call, I can hear them checks call, and I can hear you haters